Yo, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to unboxing a sneaker. Before I do the unboxing, please stay safe at home. Always wear a mask, wash your hands, and keep the social distancing. Okay, everybody, please keep safe. Okay, today I'm going to unboxing a sneaker. Bang! New Balance. Yeah, a New Balance. This is my second pair of New Balance. The first pair is with the Fresh Form technology. We call that Fresh Form version 2. And this time I'm going to unboxing the New Balance with the Fuelcell technology. And the model is Fuelcell Echolucent. Okay, let's go check it out. Dun. Yeah. Let's see the Okay, let's see the detail of the sneakers. I really like it, the design. This with the Fuelcell. You can see the Fuelcell. Can you see? This is the word Fuelcell. This is with what we call Fuelcell technology. It's soft. Yep. Soft, and the material is like a glitter, transparent, but I don't think you can see my hand inside. Yeah, but it's still really cool. Yeah, really cool design. And here is the logo. And here you can see maybe a little, just a little transparent only. Yeah, this means when you wear the sock, they will cannot see the what color inside. And the material is I think it's waterproof. Yep, it's waterproof. Yes, it's waterproof. It's made of translucent textile and mesh fabric. Wow, it's really nice. Even it's training or jogging or running shoes, but it's with a very fashion design. Like and here you can see with two tones color. Here is the white color and here is the yellow color. And what I like the most is the outsole. The outsole here is yellow color. Wow! For me, it's called sexy. It's the motherfucking eagle. The other side. Yep. The other side. Let's see the result on fix. After wearing the translucent to do some exercise. Yep. I feel that it's not as soft as the fresh form, but I can feel the difference. It's something like, yeah, I think the energy returns is better than the fresh form. The fresh form is more soft but less energy returns. Well, I'm not a professional runner. This is my own opinion and my own feelings. And this is the insole of the Fuelcell Echolucent. It's thinner compared to my previous New Balance fresh form. Yep, it's thinner, but it's still very comfortable, and I can feel the energy returns. So I think this one is a good sneaker. Yeah, for running, I can feel the energy returns. Yep. And the size, this one, the size is what my size is US 9.5. US 9.5, and previously the other ones also US 9.5. But this one I recommend you get the half bigger than what you wear before. Yep. If you choose the same size, you still can. It doesn't matter, but you need to choose the soft, thin sock, not the thick. If you wear the thick sock, you will feel it's very tight inside. So it's better you wear the thin sock. Then you will feel more comfortable. Maybe it's still new. Maybe after couple days more, I wear this sneaker, then it's not too tight anymore. Yep, that's all for the unboxing for today. If you like my video, please share and like and subscribe my YouTube channel. More subscribers, then I can make more video for you guys to see the new products or what. Yeah. Thank you for the watching. Stay safe, keep safe, wash your hand. Okay, stay healthy. Bye, see you next time.